Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can accept orders while you're closed. Basically, what that means is it's called advanced orders. So if you're closed, people can order and choose a time when you're open. So let me show you how that works. So you go to settings here, and then once you're in settings, what you would do is you go under store settings right here, scroll down a little bit right here. Okay, so let's see. First, we have to make sure the business hours are set up. Okay, good. The business hours are there. Now, allow scheduled orders when the store is closed. So you want to turn this on. Now, when your customers go to your website and it's like 2 in the morning or 5 in the morning, they can still order, but when they choose a time, it has to be between these hours. So basically, they're ordering in advance, but they're only the time they're allowed to choose is between these hours here. Okay, so we went ahead and enabled that. And the next question was that you had asked was how do you save their order history? Okay, I'll show you how to do that as well. That one is actually first. Let me save this. Let me go ahead and save this. The order history is a new feature, so that one I just had to do an update. We just added that recently, but I want to show you. I want to show it to you so you can see where it's at. You go under checkout settings, and then enable this. And then once you enable it, basically what I had to do was I had to add a page to your website. And remember, this page can only be added to this website, not to your main website, because the order history is part of this thing. I mean, you can add a link to your website if you want, but let me show you what exists. Okay, it's called My Order. Let me show you what I did so you can see. Look. See, we have Home, Order Online, Checkout, Cart, My Order. Let me change it to My Orders. I think My Orders sounds better. My Orders. Yeah, let me do that. Let me just change it to My Orders. And then what else? Let me show it to you what it looks like. So when your customers clicks on My Order, when they log in or make an account, from this point forward, their orders will be saved. So remember, the order history features, it's a new feature we added. It starts from this point on, okay? So once your customers start logging in and ordering, and then they'll be able to do it. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's say I go ahead and order something here. And then I'm going to order dessert. Okay. Once I add my dessert to the menu, I click on this button here. Now it gives me an option to log in. If the customer decides to log in, I mean not log in, sorry, sign in. If they sign in, then this will save it. It'll save their order history. Okay. If they sign in, they'll save their order history. If they don't sign in, then it won't save their order history. So if they log in as guest, it won't save it. So that's how they save it now. So let me go ahead and go back here and change that text. Even though My Order sounds good, but actually here it is right here. This is the short code. This one gives the ability to save the orders. It's a new feature we added. And let me go ahead and change the title here. My Orders. Okay, very good. Update it. Again, to add the order history feature, you make a new page, which I already did in this case. Let me just kind of walk you through the steps. You make a new page on your website. Make sure it's the WordPress website, and then you'll call it My Orders, My Account, whatever name you want to call it, and then just copy that short code earlier that you saw, which was My Account, right? So you want to copy, just put that code in here and then publish it. But since I already did it, yours is already set. Okay, and let me show you what that code is again. Right here, My Orders. Click on it. Here's the short code. It is, give it a time to load up here. Okay, I'm going to show it to you what it's called. My Account. So this is the keyword. This is how I was able to add the new feature to it. And if you want to see all the new features, just go to Plugins right here on the left hand side. And you'll see that it gets updated time to time, so you can find out. So right here, find the Smart Online Order. Right here, view details. and you can see the latest features that was added to it. Okay, so and then let me go back here again. Kind of slow loading today. Let me do that again. Not sure why it's view details. Oh, interesting. But okay, so the other way to see it, again, just go to Google, type in WordPress, Clover, and in the first link right here, Smart Owner for Clover, and then see right here where it says development. See, this is the new features, and you can see that the order feature was added right here, right here. Okay. Hopefully this video helped out. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.